It's your turn to be happy and fulfilled, all while boosting mental clarity, even if you only applied just one of the 3 tools I'm about to give you. I've spent the last 2 weeks raking through the internet to find the science of how we can use fasting to create holistic happiness and alleviate anxiety and depression while giving your mind the clarity it craves. Mental health is at an all-time decline, continuing to be a major problem with more people than ever reporting suffering at an alarming rate. Researchers at the National Institute on Aging found that fasting in this specific way can improve brain function and increase your mood, focus, and clarity. This video will get you to smile more often and give you the miracles to your mood that you deserve. So, what are the ways that will make you feel on top of the world? Here are 3 to seriously consider. The third one is my favorite. Number 1, add a 24-hour water fast to your routine. The 24-hour fast miraculously reboots and repairs stem cells in your intestinal lining. Getting your intestinal lining healthy and strong will allow you to produce natural feel-good neurotransmitters such as GABA, dopamine, and serotonin. This will give you that calm and wholesome feeling. Number 2, add a 48-hour water fast at least once a month. Research shows that a 48-hour fast will reset your dopamine receptors. These days, more than ever, we're overstimulated with dopamine from things like overeating, excessive phone use, and other toxic vices. A 48-hour fast will resensitize your receptor sites to restore healthy dopamine levels. This is a major mood stabilizer. And lastly, this one is something that has been vital to helping me with my personal struggle with depression. It's a 12 to 24-hour dry fast. Research published in the Molecular Psychiatry Journal in 2019 revealed that fasting in this specific way can increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein known for its mood-enhancing properties, particularly serotonin, which is great for those of you with PTSD and depression. Here at Fasted and Fulfilled, we believe that focusing on your health and creating a disciplined mindset is true success and freedom. Other than exercise, meditation, sun exposure, hanging with loved ones, and staying away from those, certain bad internet sites, science says fasting in these specific ways are the keys to unlocking what you've been searching for. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these. Tell us what the first noticeable change was that you experienced. Give these a try. Let me know how it goes. I promise you will thank yourself. Only you have the power to allow your body and brain to do what it is designed to do, and that is heal and feel incredible. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about science-based tools that will help you on your journey, snag the like button and subscribe for weekly videos. Thank you so much, and as always, stay fasted and fulfilled.